Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the broil burner tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the mounting screw in the front. Remove the shield. Detach the burner tube and disconnect the spark electrode wire to fully remove the old burner tube. Be careful not to let the electrode wire slip behind the rear panel. Before you install the new broil burner tube, confirm that the air shutter is open the same amount as the old shutter. Now transfer the spark electrode from the old tube to the new one. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Returning to the oven, connect the wire to the spark electrode. Position the burner tube over the orifice. Realign the shield. Then fully position the assembly and thread the front mounting screw. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.